Here's how to load cable into your brand new Spartan Tool Model 100 cable machine. To do this, we need to locate the cable clamp. The cable clamp is located on the inside of the outer drum. It's recommended to remove the outer drum from the main Model 100 assembly. Remove the snap ring and the clutch assembly. Remove the second snap ring. Slide the inner drum out. Before securing the cable to the cable clamp, run the cable through the inner drum. Loosen the cable clamp. Insert the cable at least 3 inches past the cable clamp. Secure the cable to the cable clamp. Reassemble the inner drum to the outer drum. Line up the outer drum groove with the inner drum exit hole. Reassemble the snap ring to secure the inner drum. Slide on the clutch assembly and be sure to line up the drive studs. Secure the second snap ring. You're now ready to load cable. To prevent damage to the cable, be sure to use short strokes when loading.